Hey Backyard Dippers, John with Discount Salt Pool here, ready to do another What's in the Box video. This time it's over the CircuPool TJ16 Typhoon Prefilter. This device is designed to save water and minimize pool filter maintenance. The Typhoon filters up to 80% of the pool's dirt load and debris before it ever reaches your main pool filter. In doing this, it can cut down your main pool filter maintenance by 4 to 6 times. All right, so anything you can do to reduce maintenance on your pool, it's always a good thing, right? Let's open it up and take a look and see what's inside the box. So here you have a view of everything included in the box laid out. This is your main pre-filter assembly here. As you can see, it comes with a clear polycarbonate sediment chamber. This way the buildup of debris can easily be monitored through the transparent housing. And when it is ready to be cleaned, simply turn the purge valve, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. All right, and when you do this, it only uses about 4 gallons of water. What this means is that the vast majority of debris never even reaches your main filter. Okay, so filter maintenance becomes a rare event. These are your fittings, your unions for your plumbing, the parts for the purge valve, and of course, it always comes with a manual for installation. Guys, the install for this is very do-it-yourself friendly. You mount it right after your pump and before your existing filter, and most of our customers are installing these things themselves in as little as 30 minutes, all right, so it's not a long process. Warranty is 2 years limited and comes standard in one size, which is good for most residential pool sizes. If you have a very large pool or if it gets heavy use, you could even consider installing 2 or more of these in parallel. That wraps up the What's in the Box video for the TJ16 Prefilter. If you're looking for that little extra help in reducing maintenance as well as a boost in your filtration capacity, this could be a great addition for you. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Again, I'm John with Discount Salt Pool, and remember, we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.